So currently, we have finished the first draft of the game. So it uses the RimWorld original soundtrack, and we spawn in. We only have one goal, is to survive before the enemy hostiles gets to the area. So what we have to do first is uh, make a make a crafting table, and we have to make the sword for them to be to have access to weapons to fend off the hostiles. And we also have a goal to fuel our campfire, or else we will die, and it's basically game over. So for every coal, it replenish 100 fuel from here. So we have 300 seconds of preparation for the first wave. Then for the next, we have 60 seconds, and so on and so forth. So it's basically an endless game. Also, I don't know why the music just cut off, but I'll be fixing that for the next log or update, maybe tomorrow. So when crafting, we have to put every items, chunks, woods, stone in the stockpile for it to actually craft. So we have to wait for them to finish hauling. So we also have the prioritization job here. So you can set it to none. 1, 2, 3, 4 is the lowest. They also have hunger here, which the trees drop randomly, but they are guaranteed to drop wood. So a bit more issues on the stacking of items, especially when they're assigned immediately when grabbing. They're immediately assigned to this empty slot. Then they will just skip. They won't check immediately if there is something in this tile that is assigned already on the hauling job. So I will have to fix that too. So now we have access to crafting the sword. So as you can see, only one got access to the sword, so which means we have to gather more materials. Before the anomaly arrives. So as you can see, we're running out of fuel. We just have to assign before it goes any lower. So here I assigned Bob to focus on refueling. There. they refueled there, as you can see. So now the hostiles just spawned in. We have to know who has the weapon, which is Rex. He's in combat. Oh no. And they just killed it. Now the another RimWorld original soundtrack dropped after going to the next wave. And as you also can see, they have durability. For every enemy you attack, it decreases that durability. So the one that last hit the enemy will have their durability broken until it reaches to 0. So what we can also do is make a kill box. So we have also some slight optimization issues, but it's not really that much of a problem. So I have to assign Alice to go farther because she doesn't have a weapon. Okay, now they already killed them. So as you can see, Bob got the one last remaining durability. So let's not make another sword, just so we can see that the durability drops and breaks the sword assigned to Bob. As you can see, the frames are dropping when they added the coal, so I don't really know what's up with that. It might be a loop in the code, or the values are too big. There, the FPS. Okay, so Rex dropped the durability, one remaining. So they're totally gonna die here. Okay, Rex got a sword. Bob. Okay, we survive. Okay, slight. Uh, Once you go near the campfire, it drops the frames. So I don't know why. So this is clearly an optimization issue. But for the next slog, I will definitely work on that. So thanks for watching.